20 years ago, I started Diode Dynamics in a garage. As a teenager, I tore apart my car and soldered in LEDs from Radio Shack to light it up. As we grew, we could have outsourced our production like everyone else. But I learned early on that if you want the best quality and performance possible, you have to do it the right way. Build it yourself. That's why we choose to design, engineer, and manufacture our products here in America. As we celebrate 20 years, we're not slowing down. We're doubling down and looking to the future, adding more capabilities and accelerating our mission to build more in the USA. That's why I'm proud to announce a major investment to bring optical injection molding in-house. This gives us full control over the custom-engineered optics that deliver best-in-class output while also providing greater flexibility to create more innovative products in the years ahead. To every customer and teammate who's believed in us these 20 years, thank you. Your support is why we can keep investing in the future. Because of you, we get to keep doing it the right way, building in the USA.